Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to scan a PayPal QR code. In today's world, contactless payments have become increasingly important, especially for maintaining hygiene and safety. Whether you're in a bustling marketplace or a quiet cafe, being able to scan a PayPal QR code facilitates seamless transactions, making life easier for both customers and businesses. Today, we will guide you through the process of scanning a PayPal QR code, ensuring you can enjoy quick, efficient, and secure payments. To get started, the very first step is to log into your PayPal account using your credentials. If you are new to PayPal, don't worry. Simply click on the Sign Up option and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. It's straightforward and will have you set up in no time. Now, let's delve into why scanning a PayPal QR code can be so beneficial. This form of payment allows for contactless transactions, which is crucial for maintaining hygiene, especially in public spaces or during health crises. QR code payments are not just about hygiene, they also offer speed and efficiency, significantly reducing the time spent at checkout. This is advantageous for both customers looking for quick transactions and businesses aiming to serve more clients efficiently. If you want to access your QR code, begin by opening the PayPal app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, locate and select the QR code option at the top. After selecting it, choose your specific code and look for the download icon. By clicking this, your QR code will be saved directly to your photo album, ready to be used whenever you need it. Next up, let's explore how you can scan a PayPal QR code using your mobile device. Open your PayPal app, and on the home screen, you should spot an icon that represents the QR scan code. But what if you don't see it there? There could be a couple of reasons. Firstly, QR codes might not be available in your region due to geographical restrictions. Secondly, your internet connection could be unstable, especially if you're relying on cellular data. Ensure you're connected to a stable and active internet connection for the best experience. For those using Android devices, there's an additional step you can take if you're experiencing issues. Go to your device's settings, then navigate to the App Manager, or in some cases, App Management. Find PayPal in your app list. The PayPal app can sometimes be buggy, so it's a good idea to clear both the cache and the storage. This action can resolve many of the glitches and bugs you might encounter. However, clearing user data will log you out of your account. But don't worry, logging back in is straightforward. Lastly, make sure your PayPal app is up to date. Visit the Google Play Store, search for PayPal, and ensure you have the latest version installed. Frequently, updates resolve various bugs and glitches, making your experience smoother and enabling the QR code feature. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to scan a PayPal QR code. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.